Hello, what is your name?
Hi, good morning. My name is Madeline Ulan.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
I have one kid,
How
age
old?
10.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 5 years and 7 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Nothing.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Okay, where's your employer living in?
In Shongshoi,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
They has 2 kids,
Okay, how old are they?
ages 3 and 4.
Okay, so how long would you please describe your daily working schedule? What
Okay.
time you wake up in the morning?
Okay. I wake up around 6:30 in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
I will prepare the school bag of the kids,
Mm-hmm.
prepare their breakfast, wake them up,
Mm-hmm.
and help them to brush the teeth,
Okay.
change the clothes, then serve them breakfast.
And then?
After that, when they go to school, the oldest one, I will do the laundry, clean the house, cleaning the toilet,
Mm-hmm.
and then around 11:30, I will prepare their lunch because the kids will eat at home.
Okay.
Also the mom.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about marketing? Do you go market?
No, I didn't go marketing.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you prepare?
I prepared the dinner around 6:15.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They will eat dinner around 7 to 7:30.
Okay, so after finish dinner, what time you go to bed?
Around 9:30 to 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.